Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to denoise grainy videos in your Premiere Pro. Alright, as you can see here, I have already uploaded a clip or used the ones from Premiere Pro itself. Now what you're going to do here basically is click on the clip and then go to the effects tab and look for VR denoise. Alright, right here, or just type in VR and look for VR denoise right here. Click on that and drag it on your video. Alright, if you want to adjust the denoising of your video, just go ahead and go to your effects tab. Alright, and look for the noise level right here. As you can see here, there's a number. Just go ahead and lower it down or make it higher depending on your liking. For example, maybe 0.10. Alright, that's basically it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.